1,000 kilometers. He has done a lot of rehearsals. He's tired. He's jet lagged. So I'm going to ask him to sing one last song. It is under whatever he wants to sing. It's up to her what she wants to sing. But we have to let her go after that because otherwise, if we turn on the lights, we will not want to go home. So, ladies and gentlemen of MISSISSAUGA, I want you to give a big round of applause and I want to hear that loud enough. You remember, you saw MOSAIC in 2025 on the 20th anniversary of MOSAIC Festival right here, right in MISSISSAUGA, right in the heart of this country. This beautiful girl, this beautiful talent is right here. Please give us one last song. I would never want to ask you to give us the last song, but you have already done so much. Thank you, Mike.
I'm not going to give you a last song, like abhi ke liye last song, but I will give you so many songs, promise. But he's been into like literally like family, but about the family, but he's been so nice to me. Thank you so much for having me and making me become a part of this huge family that you've built for 20 years. That's crazy, man. That's crazy good. So, thank you so much. Okay, wait. Okay, let's वो आने वाला आपको लगता है मुझे पता है मुझे सीधे आगे क्या आपको पता है कि क्या होने वाला है ठीक है so I just want to know कि whether you guys hello kids if you guys want to inform बिजली भरी है नहीं yeah okay let's just do that because it's a bit of a funky song so we can do that right let's go. but again, I'm still not leaving. I'm gonna come back. So it's gonna be a surprise movie. Yes. Yeah. It's one song. मैं आ जाऊंगी. Don't worry. For you guys, I'm gonna come. Don't worry.
Ladies and gentlemen of MISSISSAUGA, Aima Bay! Thank you, Aima. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shalom. Thank you, Memo. Thank you, everybody in the band. Much appreciated. Much love. Thank you very much. God bless. And we have another beautiful performance coming up now, which will be... let's see, who knows which performance is coming up next? Bollywood! Who loves Bollywood? Who loves Bollywood?
I love Bollywood.
Okay, I'm going to get out on the stage. I'm going to get out on the stage. I'm not getting paid. You guys are getting paid. You take it over.
What? We're getting paid?
What?
Yeah, we're getting paid with love. Yeah, that's what we have.
शुरू करें इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू करें
करते शुरू करते हैं हम हाँ इनके साथ हम भी वीडियो बना देते हैं because I want to take this memory back home. It's very simple. I'm going to speak to the camera, bring it to you guys. You guys make a lot of noise, and I'll tag all of you. Also, very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I said this in the afternoon also. We've got video recording happening, so if you're not here with your wife,
don't be a cold take out here guys don't do that
we'll hire you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Mississauga, and this crowd is amazing. Check them out! Fire! Alright, we've got an amazing performance lined up for you guys. Listen, आप लोग कैसे प्यारे यार, what
what a crowd right
do you get the iPhone?
this is Nitin's first time guys show it some love what did you guys think of I'm a Big? I'm you're awesome and now I want to introduce our last and final act
It's time.
Bollywood Dance bringing together the hottest new trends and talents of basic fusion dance on a global scale. Bollywood Dance School is committed to connecting dance communities across the globe. Led under the artistic direction of Punt Danny, this Canadian dance company finds its voice by combining both their South Asian Canadian roots with multiple collaborations with CBC, Hum, Sony Music India, Yes Raj Films, and many more. They perform with Diljit Dosanjh, Dylan Hausla. Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll do more. We'll do more, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Are you ready, Bollywood Dance Studio? Bollywood Dance School, are you ready? Get in. Quick.
You know, can I be honest? ये जो करवा रहे हो ना, it is such an honor. I've not done this in a long time. I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Now do this. We'll come back to this. Oh my God, look at this. Beautiful. What do we do? Okay. Come on. Okay, ready?
Make some noise!
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Bollywood Dance School!
Here we go! ready for another performance?
पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी, इस कदर किसी की दिल सवार है जी, जिसकी आस में हुई सुबह से दोपहर, शाम को उसी का इंतजार है जी। होश है जरा 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 खुमार है जी, खेल के बाद सभी कतार है जी। पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी, इस कदर किसी की दिल सवार है जी, जिसकी आस में हुई सुबह से दोपहर, शाम को उसी का इंतजार है जी।
पता है, यहाँ से बहुत दूर, गलत और सही के पार एक मैदान है।